Alright, so we are now in step 21.2, which is all about adding word art, shape, and smart art graphics to a slide. So you can create word art objects and draw objects on a slide using the same shape tools that you learned to use in Microsoft Word. By adding smart art graphics, it allows you to convert text to a professional looking visual element. So let's go ahead and get started. You should be in your time management presentation, and I will simply close out my clip art pane because I don't need it, so you can close yours out as well, and we will save this document as time management 2. Okay, so let's click on slide 1 and click anywhere where it says time management to bring up your placeholder. Notice that we have the dotted line that shows you where our box that our text is actually filling. So move your mouse to the dotted line and click and hold. Notice that when you click and hold, your box becomes solid lines and your sizing handles are now blue. Press delete on your keyboard and notice that your title was deleted. Click on your box again, and this time press delete and notice that your placeholder box was deleted. Now, one thing I will say is that this slide was formatted for a title and a subtitle. Well, we decided we didn't want to use the title placeholder box because we're going to add clip art. That is the reason why I deleted the text holder box. Do not leave unused placeholder boxes on your slide because they're visual. Remove them from your presentation. Now that we've deleted our placeholders, let's go to Insert, and in our text group, let's select our word art, drop down on the arrow, and notice that we have all different options. Let's move down to the 5th row and the 3rd option, which is, what is it called? Let's get that screen tip. Gradient field, black outline. Nah. Let's try this one. The red accent 2, warm matte. So we went 5 rows down, 3rd, the one in the middle on the 5th row. So select that word art, and in the in your text here box, type time management. Now point to one of the text box borders, click back in, and when the pointer changes to the 4-headed arrow, drag the text box to position it near the top of the slide. So we want to move it up. Now go to slide 3, and on the home tab, make sure you're on your home tab. In the slides group, click on your new slide button, drop down on the arrow, and select title and content layout. And in the new slide, click anywhere within the title placeholder and add the title, not enough time, ... Now on the Home tab in your drawing group. Click your Shapes button. And under the Basic Shape, click your Smiley Face Shape tool. Now, notice that as you move your mouse over this slide, your pointer has changed to a crosshair. Starting above and to the left of the graphics button, click and drag the smiley face to cover the graphics. So I am simply dragging my smiley face and let it go. So you should now have a smiley face, and of course if it's stretched too far on the top or too far on the sides, you can just click and drag using those sizing handles. So the smiley face should still be selected, and in your drawings group, go to your Shape Fill button and drop down, and let's select a yellow, which represents happy face. So to change the smile to a frown, if you look in the middle of the smile, you see a diamond. Right now it's a smiley face. But when you click and drag the line upward, you've just changed it to a sad face. Drag it back down. Make sure you don't drag the whole image. Drag it back down, turns it back to a smile. Drag it up, frown. Alright, so let's go back to, let's click, if you don't have your slideshow pane, your slide pane, then go to your View tab and click on Normal, and it brings up your default with your slide pane. Click on Slide 5 and click anywhere within your numbers list. And this looks boring, so let's convert our text to SmartArt graphics. Make sure you're on your Home tab. Click on your Home tab, and let's see, in your paragraph group, drop down on your Convert to SmartArt and click on, let's find the vertical bullet list. Let's see, is this it? Vertical block, vertical bullet list, the first one. But you were able to see the preview of all the SmartArt graphics. So select the vertical bullet list and notice that your bullets were converted to SmartArt. Doesn't this look so much more engaging with the vertical bullet list SmartArt as opposed to just black and white bullets? Okay, so click the first row that says pay utilities due to today, Thursday, to select, and click the SmartArt Tools Format tab. So notice we have our SmartArt Tools tab, which is our special tools tab just for our smart graphics. Click on Format, and in the Shape Styles group, select under standard color, red. Select your second item, summary report due Friday, and click your repeat button. And notice that it automatically filled the second item with red as well. Click the undo button to restore. Go to slide 3. Select your photograph. And when you select your photograph, you get the Pictures tool. Click on your Formats tab. And in the Picture Styles group, click your picture border. Drop down on the arrow. And under your theme colors, select a color that complements your photograph. You know what color I will select? I will select orange to match my shading. And it's a very subtle color. So let's click on the picture, and this time we will change the line weight of the picture by going to the picture border and selecting weight, and change your weight to 3 points. Notice my border is thicker. Alright, and then let's see, click on it, and I want to enlarge my picture by dragging it up to the right, like that. Alright, so we've just completed step 2, which was all about adding word shape, WordArt, and SmartArt graphics to your slide. Save this step, and I will see you on the next step.